Fábrica de Arte Cubano, known as the Art Factory, or simply F.A.C. to the hip crowd, it's the coolest spot in Havana for lovers of art to spend an evening. Founded by funky Cuban jazz legend X Alfonso in 2014, it was once upon a time a cooking oil factory. But a group of artists led by Alfonso had the idea to create a multimedia space to present and sell their music, theater, film, fashion, and visual art. They settled on this huge multi-level space in Vedado. In the decade it's been open, the F.A.C. has become the place in Havana where visitors and young people can experience being submerged in a world of creativity. From Thursday through Sunday night, edgy and challenging works hang on the walls as you explore a warren of hallways that take you deeper and deeper into the scene. From musical performances to brilliant presentations like this unique take on humanity.
So this installation is about personal smell. These are the underwear of all the different subjects of the piece of art and installation. It's believed by the artist that the smell, musk if you will, of every individual person is contained in their undergarments. I think I can confirm that's true.
Everything here seemed to be priced for affordability, and there are places to hang out under the stars and enjoy inexpensive drinks. Admission at the time of this visit was 1,000 Cuban pesos, about $3 US. For that, you can enjoy a hip-hop dance lesson or what we came for, a music and dance rumba performance. During this incredible once-in-a-lifetime cultural presentation, my local friend whispered to me that this is the best $3 show you'll ever see.
For this artist, Cuba holds the key to their heart.
Time magazine called the Art Factory in Havana one of the 100 best places in the world. And hey, who am I to argue with Time magazine?